Trusting the universe is really trusting yourself, not your ego, not the fearful, reactive part of you. But the deeper you, the eternal self, the presence that observes it all without being shaken. The self that can remain calm in chaos, still in the storm, untouched by the outer noise. This is the you that doesn't try to control life, but allows life to unfold, trusting that everything is happening for you, not to you. Eckhart Tolle described the moment his ego collapsed by saying, "I couldn't live with myself any longer." In that moment, he realized there must be two selves, the one he couldn't live with, and the one that was aware of it. That awareness is the true self. And that self, it is already at peace. It already trusts. We've been conditioned to believe that if we control everything around us, people, circumstances, outcomes, we'll finally feel safe. But the opposite is true. Real safety comes not from control, but from inner peace. That's why trusting the universe means remembering who you really are. When we forget this, we feel anxious, reactive, overwhelmed. But when we return to presence, even for a breath, we remember, I am not my thoughts. I am not my fear. I am the awareness that sees it all. This shift changes everything. We stop needing guarantees. We stop resisting uncertainty. We stop outsourcing our safety to the world. We begin to live from a place of grounded openness, a quiet, calm confidence that no matter what happens, we can handle it. Not because we're perfect or know what's coming, but because we trust ourselves to respond from truth, not fear. Peace becomes our home base. Every moment we return to peace, we're practicing trust. When we choose to observe instead of react, breathe instead of panic, soften instead of tense, we're strengthening the muscle of self-trust. That's what trusting the universe really is. It's coming back home to yourself. It's recognizing that the part of you trying to control everything is just scared. And the part of you that can witness that fear without judgment, that's your power. This shows up everywhere, in relationships, in money, in health. In relationships, we want people to act a certain way so we can feel okay. But peace isn't found in others conforming, it's found in being true to yourself, even when others don't get it. In money, we chase numbers to feel secure. But real security comes from knowing you can create, adapt, and receive what you need, because you trust your source, not your bank balance. In health, we fear illness and aging. But real vitality comes from presence. From choosing love over fear in every cell, every breath, every moment. Wim Hof, the Iceman, said, "The cold is a noble force. It brings you into the now. That's what trust does. It brings you into the now. Because the now is all there ever is. So if you want to trust the universe more, start by trusting yourself. Breathe. Pause. Soften. Come back to now. Over and over. Eventually you'll see there's no separation. You are the universe, learning to trust itself through you.